the Neanderthal enigma, ghosts of a vanished world. They walked the earth for over 300,000 years. The Neanderthals, our closest extinct human relatives, were masters of their environment. They thrived in the challenging landscapes of Ice Age Europe and Western Asia. Yet around 40,000 years ago, they vanished. Their disappearance remains one of the greatest mysteries in human evolution. What happened to these skilled hunters, these fire tamers, these social creatures? Was it a sudden cataclysm or a slow fade into oblivion? The answers, like puzzle pieces scattered across time, lie buried in fossils, tools, and the very DNA we carry within us. The story of the Neanderthals is a story of resilience, adaptation, and ultimately, extinction. It's a story that forces us to confront our own place in the grand tapestry of life. It makes us question, could we, like the Neanderthals, one day become just a whisper in the wind? Masters of stone and bone, tools of the Neanderthals. The Neanderthals were not primitive brutes, they were skilled artisans of stone and bone. Their tools, crafted with precision and purpose, speak volumes about their ingenuity. One of their signature tools was the hand axe, a versatile tool used for a variety of tasks.
Imagine a Neanderthal, strong and weathered, knapping flint with practiced ease. He shapes the stone into a sharp-edged hand axe. This tool becomes an extension of his hand, used for butchering game, scraping hides, and shaping wood.
Beyond the hand axe, they crafted spears for hunting, scrapers for preparing hides, and even bone tools for delicate tasks. These tools highlight their adaptability and problem-solving skills. They were masters of their craft, shaping their world with the tools they created. The dance of the flames fire in the Neanderthal world. Fire, a transformative force, played a pivotal role in the lives of the Neanderthals. It provided warmth in frigid climates, offered protection from predators, and illuminated the darkness. But most importantly, fire transformed their relationship with food.
Imagine a group of Neanderthals gathered around a crackling fire. The flames dance in their eyes, casting flickering shadows on the cave walls. They savor the roasted meat, the warmth seeping into their bodies, chasing away the cold of the Ice Age night.
Cooking, made possible by fire, unlocked nutrients, made food easier to digest, and expanded their dietary options. This mastery of fire was not just a practical skill. It was a testament to their intelligence and ability to control one of nature's most powerful elements. Echoes of community social structures of the Neanderthals. The harsh realities of their environment demanded cooperation. Neanderthals lived in small, tight-knit groups, relying on each other for survival. Evidence suggests they cared for their sick and injured, demonstrating compassion and social bonding.
Fossils tell stories of healed bones and individuals surviving with debilitating injuries. These findings suggest that Neanderthals didn't abandon their vulnerable members. They provided care, demonstrating a sense of community and shared responsibility.
Furthermore, the discovery of Neanderthal burial sites, some with grave goods, hints at complex cultural practices and perhaps even beliefs about the afterlife. These glimpses into their social lives paint a picture of Neanderthals as complex beings, capable of empathy and possibly even spiritual thought. Their extinction remains a subject of intense debate among scientists, with several possible culprits emerging: dramatic climate change, the spread of disease, and competition from modern humans. Neanderthal expert. Each theory offers a compelling narrative, weaving together clues from the past to explain the Neanderthals' demise. Was it the relentless advance of glaciers pushing them to the brink, or was it a silent killer, a disease their robust immune systems couldn't fight? Neanderthal expert. Perhaps the arrival of Homo sapiens, our own species, tipped the scales. Did we outcompete them for resources, drive them from their lands, or even engage in direct conflict? The answers, like ancient whispers, are elusive and complex. These environmental upheavals profoundly impacted the lives of all creatures, including the Neanderthals. Imagine the icy grip of a glacial advance. Food becomes scarce and familiar hunting grounds disappear beneath a blanket of ice and snow. Neanderthal expert. The Neanderthals, though adapted to the cold, faced immense pressure to survive. Some scientists believe that these climatic changes, particularly a period of extreme cold known as Heinrich Event 4, may have fragmented Neanderthal populations, pushing them toward extinction. The environment they had thrived in for millennia had become their undoing. Some researchers believe that diseases carried by modern humans, to which Neanderthals had no immunity, may have devastated their populations. Geneticist, imagine a scenario where contact with migrating Homo sapiens introduced novel pathogens into Neanderthal communities. Lacking immunity to these diseases, they would have been highly susceptible with devastating consequences. Evidence for this theory remains circumstantial. However, it's a plausible scenario, especially considering the impact of European diseases on Native American populations after contact. Geneticist disease, a silent killer, could have delivered the final blow to the already struggling Neanderthals. Section 8. Encounters with sapiens, competition and conflict. The arrival of Homo sapiens in Europe and Asia roughly 45,000 years ago marked a turning point in human evolution. It also set the stage for a fateful encounter between two distinct human species, Neanderthals and modern humans. Imagine a landscape where two groups, separated by millennia of evolution, cross paths. They compete for the same resources, navigate the same challenges, and perhaps even view each other with a mixture of curiosity and suspicion.
Did this competition for resources lead to conflict? Were there skirmishes over hunting grounds, clashes over shelter, or struggles for dominance? While direct evidence of violence remains rare, the possibility of conflict, driven by the need for survival, cannot be ruled out.
Section 9. The Neanderthal legacy echoes in our genes. The story of the Neanderthals doesn't end with their extinction. In a stunning discovery that revolutionized our understanding of human evolution, scientists found traces of Neanderthal DNA in the genomes of modern humans of non-African descent. This groundbreaking finding revealed that Neanderthals and early Homo sapiens interbred, leaving a lasting legacy in our genes. It means that we, modern humans, carry within us the echoes of these ancient humans.
This genetic inheritance is a testament to our shared past, a reminder that the human story is not a linear progression, but rather a complex tapestry woven from the threads of multiple human lineages. We are, in a very real sense, the descendants of both.
Section 10. The Neanderthal Mind Insights from Modern Research. For decades, Neanderthals were often depicted as brutish and less intelligent than Homo sapiens. However, recent discoveries have shattered this stereotype, revealing a more nuanced understanding of their cognitive abilities. Archaeological evidence suggests that Neanderthals were capable of symbolic thought. They created cave art, adorned themselves with jewelry, and potentially even held ritualistic burials. These behaviors hint at a capacity for abstract thought and possibly even language.
Furthermore, studies of Neanderthal brains, though challenging due to the limitations of fossil evidence, suggest a complex neural structure capable of supporting sophisticated cognitive functions. These findings continue to reshape our understanding of Neanderthal capabilities, portraying them as intelligent and adaptable humans.
Section 11. A lasting legacy, the enduring impact of the Neanderthals. The Neanderthals, though vanished, have left an indelible mark on our world. They remind us that we are not the only humans to have walked this earth. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation, the importance of social bonds, and the fragility of existence. As we delve deeper into their world, uncovering more secrets from the past, we gain a richer understanding of our own origins.
The Neanderthals, once enigmatic figures on the fringes of human history, have taken their rightful place as a vital chapter in the story of us. Their genes live on within us, a silent reminder of our shared heritage. The Neanderthals, though gone, continue to shape our understanding of what it means to be human. They challenge us to confront our place in the grand tapestry of life, reminding us that even in extinction, their story continues to unfold.